tax planning, the God is in the detail everywhere, and each case is totally different from another. And you need tax experts. It's not black and white, and you need tax experts to thoroughly understand your circumstances, analyze them, and based on the current tax available obligations, decide which route is best for you.
It's let's say an investment. I'm not gonna say expense.
You cannot become
It's
a
an
doctor by
investment
watching
you
YouTube.
need to make. Yes, some people will.
Some people will try to do some operations, but would you want to be their patient?
No, of course not. It's an investment you need to make for peace of mind. And we see this with some people who relocate to Cyprus even, and they haven't done their accounting properly in their countries, and then they get in trouble. They try to do it on their own, even if they're millionaires, and try to save money because they think, oh, I'm going to pay too much money to these accountants and lawyers.
Which is something that annoys me a lot, because accountants in Cyprus, and I would say in the UAE as well, they are not so expensive to even have this discussion. And it's a pity that people don't appreciate how hard that specific work is. To be a qualified chartered accountant, you sacrifice many years. And the expertise, and they are the toughest exams in the world, the toughest professional exams in the world. If things were easy, why would we spend so much time studying and
the
working?
exams. Kyriakos spent 5 years working in London. Then he came to Cyprus, started his company, has worked with numerous clients, went to Dubai, started another company.
And we're constantly learning.
For, the experience, not just the set amount that Kyriakos charges, because more or less in Cyprus, people charge the same. It's such a funny story, the story of this German, which I hear very often. It just stuck to my mind because Germans are very, let's say, afraid of taxes and expenses because of the system in Germany and how they are treated. And he was trying to set up companies on his own in different countries. The tax authorities in Germany went after him. He fled to Cyprus, extracted some of the money, took the money and bought villas. He didn't do the accounting properly. He got a knock on the door. We talked about this case because it's quite funny. The guy was telling me the story at a seminar. I understand that you might have a fear of taxes and accountants, but make an educated decision and don't try to educate yourself through YouTube, because we see it all the time. They do relocate and then they get in bigger trouble and they have to pay a lot more money.
Of course. When you go to the doctor, can you just watch on YouTube and you medicate yourself, or you to someone who...
Some people do that. If you want to do that, it's up to you.